So we'll be preparing the cable to get the cause out for terminations using a cable knife. Make sure you got the right gloves. These are gloves that can protect not to cut yourself. Okay. So you make sure that you don't nick the cause when you're using the cable knife because it's very sharp. So now we're going to remove the outer shield just by pulling it out. And there we go. Okay, now we're going to have to connect the cable. First we need to remove the socket by taking out these 4 screws. Keep the screws safe. And then we're gonna secure our cable on our enclosure before we connect it to our socket. Right, we're gonna install our cable to the enclosure. To secure it, you make sure you remove your lock nut first. It will come inside. Now using the right tool, so we're gonna secure it and tighten it. Right now we're gonna remove the insulation. Tighten your strands. So we were removing the insulation, then we had to turn the strands to be solid before you can connect it to the socket. Okay, now we're going to connect the cable to the socket. First of all, you need to make sure the labeling and which cause fits well. So we're going to start with the earth. That's the symbol for the earth, and this is the wire for the earth. Unscrews and insert your earth first. Once it's in, you tighten it. Make sure it's tight, then we try to pull it out to see whether it's tight. Next one, we've got 3 lines, so we'll use red, here, brown as our line 1. Screws, and insert the second wire. Again, once you're done, you make sure it's tight, does not pull out, and move to the 3rd wire. Now we'll be using a black as our phase, not as a neutral, because this is a 3-phase installation. Double check again, then do the last one. So the blue wire, it's also used as a phase wire, which will be our line number 3. There we go. Now the next step is to put it inside and secure it with the provided screws.